Hello and welcome to Shulini TV. I'm Gurudeep, bringing you the latest stories and highlights from around the campus. But let us first look at the headlines. Shulini University hosts 9th Convocation Ceremony. Over 1100 students awarded degrees. Shulini alumni Astha Dhawan joins Indian Army, secures AII 23, commissioned as lieutenant. Shulini organizes legal awareness drive in Solan. Students promote women's right door to door. Shulini hosts Bank of Baroda Achiever Awards. Students honored for excellence and achievements. Shulini University recently celebrated a major academic milestone with its 9th Convocation Ceremony. Over 1,000 students were awarded degrees at the grand event held in the Kasoli Hills.
Shulini University held its 9th Convocation Ceremony on March 21 at its campus in Solan. A total of 1,087 undergraduate and postgraduate students, along with 85 PhD scholars, were awarded their degrees. The ceremony marked an important moment for students completing their academic journey. Dr. Anil Sahasrabudhe, chairman of National Education Technology Forum, attended as the chief guest. He spoke about the importance of lifelong learning and encouraged students to become responsible citizens and contribute to the nation's growth. The event also featured guest of honor Kunwar Shekhar Vijendra, who described graduation as a new beginning and motivated students to stay ambitious while remaining grounded. Another guest of honor, Dr. Rajan Velukar, highlighted the importance of adaptability, emotional intelligence, and continuous learning. Out of the total graduates, 569 students received undergraduate degrees, while 518 were awarded postgraduate degrees. The university also honored 30 medalists and 23 students with merit certificates for their excellence and performance. University leaders, including Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla and Vice Chancellor Professor Atul Khosla, congratulated students and encouraged them to lead meaningful and value-driven lives. They urged students to face challenges with confidence and uphold integrity in their journey ahead. Speakers at the event also emphasized the importance of knowledge, innovation, and becoming job creators instead of just job seekers. The ceremony ended with the formal conferment of degrees and a vote of thanks. Shulini University's 9th Convocation celebrated not just degrees, but the beginning of new journeys. With strong messages from leaders, students now step into the future with confidence and purpose. With camera person Prem Bhatti, Richa, Shulini TV, Solan.
A proud moment for Shulini University as one of its alumni has achieved a remarkable milestone by joining the Indian Armed Forces.
Astha Dhawan, an alumna of Shulini University, has been selected as a lieutenant in the Indian Army. She completed her MSc in Chemistry Research from the university between 2021 and 2023 and stayed at Aryan Hostel during her time on campus. Driven by her childhood dream of serving the nation, Astha worked tirelessly for 5 years. Despite facing multiple setbacks in written exams and narrowly missing the merit list even after getting recommended, she remained focused and continued her preparation. Her dedication finally paid off when she cleared the exam and secured an All India rank 23. She has now joined the Officer Training Academy in Chennai and was selected as a lieutenant in the Army Service Corps on March 7, 2026. After completing her orientation, she is said to be posted in Leh, marking the beginning of her journey in the Indian Armed Forces.
Astha's journey is a true example of determination. Her success is an inspiration for many young aspirants dreaming of serving the nation. With camera person Vansika, her Shulini TV, Solan.
Shulini University continues its effort towards social awareness as the Faculty of Legal Sciences recently organized a legal awareness camp in Solan.
The Legal Aid Clinic of the Faculty of Legal Sciences at Shulini University conducted a door-to-door legal awareness campaign in Sultanpur Panchayat, Solan. The initiative was organized as per the directions of the District Legal Services Authority to spread awareness about women's legal rights and available support systems. The campaign was led by Assistant Professor Vineet Kumar, along with representatives of the Panchayat. Around 25 students actively participated, interacting with local women and educated them about their rights. During the drive, students discussed important issues such as domestic violence, legal remedies, victim compensation schemes, and the availability of free legal aid. They also shared the NALC helpline number, encouraging women to seek help whenever needed. The campaign was supported by ward member Sheila Devi, who helped facilitate community interaction. Associate Dean Professor Nandan Sharma appreciated the initiative and motivated students to continue participating in such awareness programs. The campaign aimed to empower women with knowledge of their legal rights. Such initiatives play an important role in building a more aware and informed society. With camera, Shruti, Shulini TV, Solan.
Shulini University recently hosted the Bank of Baroda Achievers Award ceremony, celebrating students' excellence and achievements across academics, sports, and leadership.
Shulini University organized the Bank of Baroda Achievers Award ceremony, bringing together dignitaries, faculty members, and students in a spirit of recognition and inspiration. The event was attended by the officials from the Bank of Baroda, including Chief Manager KG Negi, Senior Manager Manish Kashyap, Business Associate Ashish Walia, and Deputy Regional Manager Rakesh Kumar Gabba. The ceremony began with the felicitation of the guests, followed by a special moment where the visiting team honored Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla for helping leadership and contribution to education. Addressing the gathering, he highlighted the importance of innovation, dedication, and overall development in shaping future leaders. During the event, Rakesh Kumar Gabba encouraged students to strive for excellence and make the most of opportunities. The highlight of the ceremony was the Achievers Award, where students were recognized for their outstanding performances. Divya Mohan was honored in the academics category, while Yami received recognition as a sports all-rounder for her international participation in korfball. The All-Rounder Award was presented to Prekshi for her leadership as NSS President and her selection to Biocon Academy. The event concluded with a vote of thanks by Ms. Poonam Nanda. The ceremony celebrated hard work, talent, and dedication among students. It also highlighted the strong partnership between industry and academia in nurturing future achievers. With camera person Aditya Srivastava, Shulini TV.
That's all from Shulini University for today. Stay tuned for more updates and inspiring stories from our campus. I'm Gurudeep, wishing all of you a productive and successful semester ahead. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaskar.